We're going to take some time and focus on Raton for a little bit.
Yeah, they got some good rain yesterday, more than an inch, and even had some showers throughout the day. Here is a look from the Raton Pass throughout the morning. They're dealing with some fog to start off this Wednesday, then had a little mix of clouds and sunshine, but then more storms rolled in from the north. So I-25 is a little bit slick on this Wednesday evening. Now, check out the weather alerts. This was supposed to expire about 15 minutes ago, a flood warning for portions of Curry and Roosevelt County, including northern portions of Portales and all of Clovis, but still dealing with some lingering showers, which is why it's been extended until 9 o'clock tonight. That's on top of already in some locations 3.5 inches of rain, so do not attempt to travel flooded roads right along Highway 60 and Highway 70 in portions of Clovis. And at 5 o'clock, I showed you that image of some flooding in places like Cannon Air Force Base there in Curry County. So still some lingering showers, but very light rain there in portions of Clovis, and some storms brewing up around Santa Fe and southwestern portions of Sandoval County. It's all moving towards the south now as that storm that's brought all the rain begins to move off to the east. And the metro still at 75 degrees, mostly cloudy, and the humidity is up around 29%. Winds from the south-southwest at 14. Pine and grass, low to moderate count today. Weeds, low. Walnut showing up for the first time this year, also in the low count. So obviously because of the cloud cover and the shower activity from the storms last night and this morning, temperatures in Clovis have not warmed up that much for the first day of June. You're at 57 degrees, 52 in Raton. In the metro, though, we are at 75 and 80 in Deming. Wind speeds across the state generally light, anywhere from 10 to 15 miles per hour and stronger right around those storms. So there is that upper level low, which is beginning to move on out, but it's going to produce more flooding in portions of Texas, along with Oklahoma and far eastern New Mexico, still dealing with some significant rain through tonight. But area of high pressure to our west will actually allow temperatures to climb back up quite a bit over the next few days. So you're planning for tonight, showing those temperatures cooling down to about 60 by 2 in the morning, 6 in the morning in the mid-50s, and then we warm back up by 10 with abundant sunshine into the upper 60s. So here is a look at futurecast for the rest of the evening and through tomorrow and into Friday. Area of low pressure moves over to parts of Texas. High pressure begins to build over the southwest. This is what's going to cause temperatures to skyrocket over the area over the next couple of days. We are talking highs back in the 90s in many spots. So here's that forecast tonight. Lows down in the 40s and 50s with highs in the 70s and 80s from Roswell to Carlsbad. Still a mild Thursday on tap with a few spotty showers and thunderstorms, especially as you head towards Texas. Now in Roswell, you'll be close to 90 on Friday and then back in the 90s by Saturday and Sunday. And look at Wednesday. You could hit 100 degrees for the first time this year. Southwest New Mexico, spotty showers tonight, partly cloudy tomorrow with lows in the 50s and highs in the 80s, even 91 in Lawrenceburg. Four Corners this evening, expect lows down in the 30s up in Chama, 40s and 50s elsewhere with highs in the 80s. From Durango to Cortez, Chinle, Window Rock, along with Gallup at 85. Farmington, 88 on your Thursday, and then you'll be in the 90s by Friday with abundant sunshine the rest of the weekend and early next week too. Low to mid-90s. Northeast Highlands tonight, lows in the 40s and 50s. Scattered showers and thunderstorms with highs in the 70s and even 80s there in Tucumcari. Santa Fe, storms nearby. That will continue this evening. Same tomorrow. With lows in the 40s, highs tomorrow in the 70s and 80s. And that 7-day forecast for the state capital showing those temperatures warming up quite a bit. Slight chance of a shower Friday, but then drying out for the weekend with temperatures hitting 90 degrees by Monday with some occasional breezes. East Mountains tonight. Expect those lows down in the 40s with highs in the upper 70s, even 80 in Edgewood and in Valencia County. It's going to be a mild night with lows in the 50s and highs tomorrow also in the 80s. And as we head up I-25 in the metro, same thing. Highs tomorrow in the low to mid-80s, and those temperatures continue to climb. And we could see highs in the 90s for the first time this year as early as Friday and heating up the rest of the weekend along with early next week. Sports with JP is next.